Okay, so this is problem number 4 on homework 7.3. And I just wanted to show you. So the problem is you have a sample of O-rings thicknesses, right, in inches, and we want to see if using a normal probability plot whether we can determine whether this data is normally distributed. And there's a cool little way to do this in StatCrunch. You can just load the data up, open in StatCrunch. So that's just this data over here loaded up into a single column here. And all we have to do is go to graph, QQ plot, select the first variable. That's just telling it where the data is in the first column. The columns are named variables, variable one. We want the correlation statistic and we want the normal quantiles on the y-axis. Okay. And then we just hit compute. So it gives us the graph, right? And it also gives us the correlation coefficient up here, which is really strong. We need to check whether it's strong enough to see if it exceeds the critical value by looking up critical values here. Now our sample or our n is 16, so we want to have something higher than the critical value of 0.941, and we definitely have that. So we're going to say this data is normal. So let me see. Therefore, A says it's reasonable to conclude that the data comes from a normal population. Okay, that sounds good. And the z-score is the correlation, exceeds the critical value. So A is the answer we want. We just have to fill in the details. So 0.997. And the critical value, what do we say? That's 0.941. And oops. And selected A. Now we just hit check answer. And it's all good. So I hope that helps on this this question.